Total Wireless, now part of Verizon, offers several ways to manage your phone service. Deactivation permanently ends service, ideal for upgrades or cancellations. Suspension temporarily halts service, useful for travel or if your phone is lost. Reporting a phone lost or stolen suspends service and blocks the device. Wiping remotely erases your personal data. As of October 2025, these actions are easily managed through the My Total Wireless app or website, enhanced with features like 2FA for security. This video will guide you through each option. To deactivate your Total Wireless phone, first log in to your My Total Wireless account through the app or website. To suspend service temporarily, use the My Total Wireless app or website. Suspensions last up to 90 days. If your device is lost or stolen, report it immediately via the app to suspend service and block the IMEI. For data protection, use Google's Find My Device for Android or Apple's Find My iPhone. Total Wireless offers in-app tutorials. Combine wiping with suspension for full protection. Enable location services and use two-factor authentication for added security.